Technology's relentless evolution has undeniably transformed our lives, aiming to simplify our daily routines and enhance our overall experiences. One of the prime embodiments of this trend is the advent of robot vacuums, which have rapidly ascended to become indispensable assistants in modern households. These ingenious devices not only alleviate the burden of manual cleaning, but also ensure that our living spaces remain consistently pristine, all the while refining their capabilities with each iteration. Recent advancements in the field of robotics have further propelled the capabilities of these cleaning marvels. The Roborock P10 Pro, which garnered attention for its cutting-edge features, set the stage for other players in the market to up their game. One such notable contender is iRobot, a renowned brand that has introduced two new robot vacuum models, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the Roomba Combo i5 Plus. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus, priced at $799, and its sibling, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus, priced at $549, promise an elevated cleaning experience that combines convenience, efficiency, and technological finesse. These robots leverage a blend of advanced sensors, machine learning algorithms, and thoughtful appearance to deliver an impressive cleaning performance. With every pass, they gather data about the layout of your home, optimizing their cleaning patterns over time to ensure no corner is left untouched. At the forefront is the Roomba Combo J5 Plus, the premium offering priced at $799. This model stands out with its cutting-edge navigation technology, vSLAM or visual simultaneous localization and mapping. Through vSLAM, the robot vacuum creates a detailed map of your home, allowing it to navigate with exceptional precision. This results in efficient and systematic cleaning patterns, ensuring that no area is overlooked. Additionally, the J5 Plus is equipped with a dirt detect feature, enabling it to identify and focus on areas with higher levels of dirt, providing targeted cleaning where it's needed most. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus, priced at $549, offers a compelling package for those seeking powerful cleaning performance with a more affordable investment. While it lacks the vSLAM navigation and dirt detect features of its counterpart, it still delivers impressive results in terms of cleaning capabilities. The i5 Plus boasts a range of smart features that make it a valuable addition to any home. These include scheduling, allowing you to set cleaning times to match your preferences, room-specific cleaning to target specific areas, and voice control for a seamless interaction with your cleaning assistant. Both the Roomba Combo J5 Plus and i5 Plus models come equipped with a clean-base automatic dirt disposal system. This system goes beyond the robot's cleaning capabilities by automatically emptying the dustbin into a larger receptacle, eliminating the need for you to attend to this task after each cleaning cycle. This innovation not only saves time, but also ensures that your robot vacuum is always ready for action. The iRobot app, available for both iOS and Android devices, is the control hub for these robot vacuums. Through the app, you can initiate and terminate cleaning sessions remotely, schedule cleanings to fit your routine, and access detailed cleaning reports that provide insights into the robot's performance. This level of control and visibility ensures that your cleaning needs are met while allowing you to stay informed about your robot vacuum's activities. In conclusion, the Roomba Combo J5 Plus and i5 Plus models by iRobot cater to a spectrum of preferences and budgets, showcasing the brand's dedication to providing advanced cleaning solutions for modern homes. The J5 Plus, with its vSLAM navigation and dirt detect features, offers an exceptional level of cleaning precision, while the i5 Plus delivers powerful cleaning performance alongside an array of smart functionalities. Both models bring the convenience of the clean-based system and the intuitive iRobot app to streamline the cleaning process, making them valuable assets in the pursuit of a consistently clean and comfortable living environment. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Have a nice day and see you soon.